Hi class, today's topic is about equation of parabola. Objective, use the vertex and directrix to write the equation of parabola in standard form. So sir, paano namin malalaman paano gagawin yan? So ano ba yung directrix? Kung meron tayong Cartesian plane at yung parabola natin opens upward or downward, then yung directrix is nasa likod, di ba? Ibig sabihin, itong blue na yan, ang equation niyan is y equals to something. So, kapag naka-y form yung directrix or naka-y equation, ibig sabihin, yung x natin, yung naka-square. At pag nag-drawing tayo ng, pag nag-drawing tayo ng Cartesian plane, yan, then, ang graph natin nandito, opens to the left or to the right, ang directrix natin is sa likod, di ba? So, ang equation ng kulay yellow na line na yan, or equation ng line na yan is x equals to something. Ibig sabihin, pag yung directrix natin, yung equation ng directrix natin is naka-x equation, therefore, yung y naman yung naka-square. So, para ma-imagine nyo lang kung bakit yung x na yung naka-square, tsaka kung bakit y naka-square. So, yung directrix lagi nasa likod ng vertex natin. Example tayo. Example number 1. Vertex at the origin, so coordinate niyan is 0, 0. Directrix is y equals negative 1 part. Dahil naka-y form yan, therefore, yung x natin yung naka-square. Since vertex at the origin, so ang pinaka-form natin is x squared equals 4py. Ito yung pinaka-form or formula para makuha natin yung equation natin ng parabola. So, ano ba yung equation ng directrix natin? Na pag yung origin natin is nasa 0, 0. So, equation yan is y equals negative p. Ayan. So, para ma-compute yung p, kasi kailangan natin hanapin yung 4p. So, ganito yan. Equate nyo lang. Negative p equals negative 1/4. So, gawin yung positive. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So, p equals 1/4. Then, multiply both sides by 4. Kasi kailangan nyo is 4p. So, 4p equals 4 times 1 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Or pwede yung i-cancel yan. So, 4p now is equivalent to 1. Then, substitute nyo yung given sa equation. So, x squared equals 4p is 1. So, magiging 1y or magiging simply y. Meaning, x squared equals y, yung equation natin ng parabola given vertex at the origin and directrix niya is negative 1/4. Ganun lang yun. Example number 2. Example number 2, ang vertex natin is nasa negative 8, negative 6, or nasa h, k. Yan. Wala na sa origin. Then, directrix natin, y equals negative 11/2. So, ulit, since y yung equation ng directrix natin, therefore, yung x yung naka-square. So, dahil meron tayong hk, so x minus h square equals 4p y minus k. Ito yung pinaka-formula natin. Nasa ibang vlog to, panoorin nyo muna para meron kayong kopya ng lahat ng formula. Then, since y yung naka-directrix natin, so ang pinaka-equation yan is y equals, so kukupin nyo lang yung y, k minus p. Yan. So, k minus p equals negative 11/2. Meron tayong value ng k, ito, negative 6, substitute. So, negative 6 minus p equals negative 11/2. Transpose negative 6 to the other side. So, magiging negative p equals negative 11/2 plus 6. So, gagawin dyan, cross-multiply, then follow the sign. So, magiging negative p equals 2 times 6 is 12. So, magiging negative 11 plus 12 is positive 1/2. Yan na yung value ng negative p. So, para maging positive, multiply natin by negative 1. So, p equals 1/2. Kailangan natin dito sa equation natin is 4p. So, multiply nyo to both side by 4 para makuha nyo yung 4p. So, equal yan sa 4 times p is 4p equals 1/2 of 4. So, 1/2 of 4 is 2. So, ito na yung value natin ng 4p. So, 4p natin equals 2. Then, substitute natin sa given. Wait nga lang pala. 1/2 pala times negative is negative 1/2. times 4 is negative 2. So 4p natin is negative 2. Yan, nakalimutan ko yung sign. So substitute natin sa formula. So x minus h. So h natin is negative 8. So opposite ng sign, positive 8 square equals 4p natin. Ang 4p natin is negative 2. Then y. K natin is negative 6. Opposite ng sign is positive 6. So ito yung equation natin ng parabola. Vertex at negative 8, negative 6. Directrix natin is y equals to negative 11 over 2. So ulit ha. Pag yung directrix, equation ng directrix natin is naka-y form, yung x yung naka-square. Then, kailangan nyo lang tandaan yung mga formula para sa equation ng directrix at yung mga coordinates para mabilis. So, next example tayo. Example number 3. So, ulit, vertex at the origin. So, origin, therefore, ang coordinate niyan is 0, 0. Directrix natin, x equals 1/2. So, sir, x na. Ibig sabihin, kung x yan, yung y yung naka-square. Since nasa origin tayo, ang equation lang yan is y squared equals 4py. Ay, 4px yan. 4px. Yan. So, ang formula natin ng directrix is x equals negative p. Yung directrix lagi negative, yung focus lagi positive pag kinet nyo yung formula. Yan. So, kunin natin yung value natin ng directrix. Ay, mali. Value natin ng p. So, negative p equals 1/2. Multiply both sides by negative 1 para maging positive p. So, p equals negative 1/2. Multiply natin both sides by 4. Yan. So, magiging 4p equals 1/2 ng 4 is 2. Then, negative 2. So, eto na ngayon yung equivalent ng 4p natin. Then, substitute natin sa pinaka-formula. So, y squared equals yung 4p, negative 2x. Ito na ngayon yung final answer. Equation of parabola, vertex at the origin, directrix at x equals 1/2. So, regarding nga pala dito, iniisa-isa ko kasi para di kayo malito. Pero actually, dito pa lang sa una, pwede na kayo mag-multiply ng negative 4p para mas mabilis. Yan. Okay, example number 4. Last example. Erase ko muna. Example number 4, vertex at negative 1, negative 5. So, ang vertex natin is nasa h, k. The directrix natin is x equals negative 5 over 4. So, since nasa x equation, yung directrix natin, therefore, yung y naman yung naka-square. So, y minus k square equals to 4p x minus h, ba? hk. So, i-follow natin form para makuha yung equation natin ng parabola. So, yung directrix natin, since hk yan, so x equals, dahil x yan, open yung x. So, magiging h minus p. Then, solve natin yung p. So, h minus p equals negative 5 over 4. Yan. Yung h natin is negative 1. Substitute natin. Negative 1 minus p equals negative 5 over 4. Transpose natin yung negative 1 sa other side. So, magiging negative p equals negative 5 over 4 plus 1. Plus 1. Yan. 25. Yan. Tapos, negative p equals cross multiply. So, 4 times 1 is 4. Yan. So, magiging negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1 over 4. Yan. So, para mabilis, para makuha natin agad yung value ng 4p, i-multiply nyo to both side by negative 4. Negative 4. So, magiging negative 4 times negative p is 4p. Negative times negative is positive. 1/4 of 4 is 1. Yan. Tapos, i-substitute natin sa formula na. So, y, k. Ang k natin is negative 5. Opposite ng sign is positive 5 square equals yung 4p natin is 1. X, yung h natin is negative 1. So, opposite ng sign, positive 1. Simplify pa natin maigi. Y plus 5 square equals to x plus 1. Kasi 1 na lang yung multiplier. Ito na ngayon yung equation natin. Ito na yung equation natin ng... Ito na ngayon yung equation natin ng parabola. Yan, equation natin ng parabola. Vertex at negative negative 1, negative 5, directrix niya is x equals to negative 5 over 4. So, pag may tanong, comment nyo na lang. Kung nag-gets, siyempre ayos. Mag-aral na maigi. Kayang-kaya lahat i-solve. Basta mag-practice. Salamat.